Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. And we have recently started the Mudra series, which is hand gestures, hand positions for different ailments of the body. And today's gesture, today's mudra is for gastritis, any kind of gastric problems, any kind of gas problems in the body. And while we might just be concerned about the gas in the stomach, what you need to understand is excess of air element, excess of gas in the body can cause up to 80 different ailments in the body. It can cause pain in your joints and pain in your overall body system. It can cause you to burp spontaneously and regularly. It can cause gastritis problems. It can cause ulcer and cancer in the long run. So today's mudra is all about how to treat excess of air in the body. We have already discussed about what all of the fingers represent, what elements these fingers represent in our mudra science video. If you want to know what different fingers represents when it comes to elements, check out our mudra science video. The index finger represents the air element and the thumb represents the fire element. Now, what we are doing here is, it's a very simple mudra. First, you need to have your palms out and open, and you need to fold your index finger and press it with your thumb and keep the rest of the fingers straight. What this does is there's a nerve in your radial area that's called the air nerve. This hand position blocks the air nerve, and as you do it for a while, the excess of air in your body gets reduced. It gets balanced. It comes down to a normal level, and hence you are able to get rid of different air-related or gas-related ailments in the body. So when air enters the joints, it starts causing pain, and in the long run it starts causing arthritis in your body. Similarly, if you have shoulder pain or pain in the neck, it's usually caused by the excess of air in the body. And when you do this mudra, the excess of air is controlled in the body. Another thing is that if you have pain in your shoulders or your neck area, if you have pain in the right shoulder or the neck, all you need to do is have this mudra and move your wrist in a clockwise or an anti-clockwise direction just for 5 minutes, and you yourself will see how majestically this mudra with this movement heals the ailments of the neck and the shoulder. Similarly, if you have a shoulder ache on your left side or around your left neck area, you need to do this mudra on your left hand and move your wrists accordingly in clockwise or in anti-clockwise direction. If your body just aches spontaneously in different parts and you do not exactly know what the cause is, it's usually due to the excess of air in those parts. See, our body is made up of 5 elements, and imbalance in any of those elements starts causing aches and pain and ailments in different parts of the body, right? So when you do this mudra, your blood circulation starts to be proper. Your blood starts to circulate properly all around your body, and any place that your blood can't circulate, it becomes dry and it starts aching. But if you do this mudra and if you move your wrists, what happens is blood starts circulating properly all around your body, and once blood circulates in those stained and those dry areas, you'll slowly start relieving yourself of all the aches and the pain in the body. So let's recap the mudra one more time. It's very simple. The fire element controls the air element. Your air finger goes down, bends down, both of them, and your fire finger goes on top of the air finger, right? The rest of the fingers are straight, and you can move the wrist in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction if you want to relieve yourself of pain quicker. Identify where in your body you have illogical pain. You do not know its reason, and try out this mudra from anywhere from 10 minutes to 45 minutes. You can stay in this mudra for 45 minutes, doesn't matter, and see if it helps, and tell us if it helps. So this was all about the air mudra or the gastritis mudra. If you liked this video, do not forget to press the like button, and do subscribe to us if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution. We shall bring you more videos, more helpful videos like this in the future. Let's build a community of new age, enlightened human beings. Until next time.